speakers. Lift Off Show, Power 06, #1 for hip hop. Dope boy, Troy.
I remember selling cocaine, I don't get fed time. Now I'm rapping, it's more investigations and headlines. All these niggas sucking dick, didn't know it was head time. They just tryna bait it, click, all this rest got me bedtime. Rolex, this is no flex, this VS Shine. When I'm out west, I get respect cause they love my kind. Real nigga time, real niggas grind. All of these knives I took from behind. I get the point, I get it now. I get the firing, niggas is dying, niggas is crying. He went too far, damn that shit was wrong, bro. My enemies weak, they teaming up, I'm getting stronger. Money longer, weed them out like California. I rolled up all that hate and smoked that shit in marijuana. Nigga, ash, sure yeah getting cash. Sure yeah with the flash, sure yeah with the swag. No boy in that new cock was my last CD. I shoot for my own self, nigga, don't blast me. Rumors about how I lie, oh hell no, not me. Ask Rob Altman about that whole thing with TDE. Pussy, all I speak is facts, nigga, all I see is racks. Nigga, pressure bust his pipe, blood, y'all know he a rat. Nigga, BSB the mafia, I'm the boss in the cap. Nigga, I done make 50,000 off for selling these caps. Nigga, don't work your hand. Word. God is great in that paper straight. God is great in that paper straight. Baking water with the weight again. I let them hate it.